In this video, I'm going to show you how to blur an object, a person's face, or any part of a video using CapCut. Not only that, but I'm also going to show you how to track the part of the video that you are blurring using a simple trick. To start, this is the first clip we'll be using. Drag and drop it onto the timeline. We're going to blur the person's face. Select the clip, right-click with your mouse, and click on Copy. Right-click again and select Paste. We've now duplicated the video layer. Hover to the top and click on Effect, then click on Video Effect to reveal more options. Next, click on the Lens option and look for the blur effect. Alternatively, you can simply click on the search box, type blur, and press Enter to search for it. Hover over different blur effects to preview which one you like. Once you've made your choice, drag and drop the blur effect onto the duplicated video layer. Don't drop the effect on top of both video layers, as that will blur the entire video rather than just the face. So, be sure to drop the effect only on the duplicated layer. You'll notice that the whole video appears blurry, but don't worry, the main layer is unaffected. You'll see soon. On the right side, you can adjust the intensity of the blur effect. If you click on the mask, you'll discover you can shape your effect any way you like, but only if you have a pro account. For those of us without a pro account, we're going to mask the whole video, which is why we duplicated the layer at the start. Just click on the video, go to the mask, and select the circle mask since we're focusing on the face. Now adjust the size and position of the mask where you want it, on the person's face in my case. It'll look great, but if you want a smoother circle, increase the feather to around 2 or 3. When we play the video, it looks fantastic. You'll notice in this video, the person doesn't move much. But what if you have a moving subject? Let me show you with this video as an example. As you can see, the head of this beautiful lady moves quite a bit. Following the same process, first duplicate the video layer by holding Alt and moving the layer up to create a duplicate. Hover to the top, click on Effect, and search for Blur. Drag and drop the blur effect onto the top video layer. Go to the right panel and adjust the blur intensity to your preference. Now, select the top video layer, go to the right menu, and click on the mask. Select the circle mask and adjust its size by dragging the corners. Once done, place it over the face you want to hide. You can also add a feather effect if desired. As we play the video, you'll notice the blur effect isn't tracking the face. Let's fix that. Make sure the playhead is at the beginning of the video. Select the top video track, hover to the right menu, and ensure the mask option is selected. Turn on the keyframe for position. Next, use the arrow key to move the video forward frame by frame. Whenever you see the head going out of the mask, adjust the mask to follow the movement of the head. Continue doing this for the rest of the video. This tracking technique can be used for any kind of mask. You'll see later when we use it to track a car's number plate. Once you're done tracking, play the video. Your clip should look like this. It's amazing that you can easily hide a face and track it in just a couple of minutes. By the way, I have an easy-to-understand tutorial that will help you master keyframes, so you can start creating mind-blowing video edits in CapCut. Make sure to watch it once you're done with this one. Anyway, after watching the video, you can increase the size of the mask to fully cover the face. You can also click on the Basic tab, then click on Effect, and make sure to click on the little Edit button. Here, you will be able to control the blurriness of the video. Now let's play our final video. It looks great. Here's another example. This time, I'm going to hide the number plate of this moving supercar. First, let's duplicate the video layer. Hover to the top, click on Effect, then search for Blur. Drag and drop the blur effect onto the top video layer. Hover to the right panel and adjust the blur effect intensity to your liking, but make sure no one can see the information you're trying to hide. Once done, click on the top video layer, go to the right menu, and click on Mask. This time, we're not using the circle mask because the number plate has a rectangular shape. Click on the rectangle mask and position it where you want it. Next, resize the mask using the corners and position it well on the number plate. Next, we need to track the moving car. Make sure the playhead is at the start of the video. Select the video and turn on the mask for position. To be safe, you can also turn on the mask for size and rotation. Once they are on, use the arrow key to move the video forward frame by frame. Whenever the plate is out of the blur effect, adjust the position of the mask. You can also rotate the mask if necessary, and adjust its size as well. Once done, your video should look like this. Fantastic! Use this trick to hide any type of information you don't want people to see. To master keyframe animation in CapCut, click on the video on the screen. See you there!